The 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 40,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. The following features are included: a front bench seat, a split folding rear seat, air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, an overhead console, and remote keyless entry. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.